What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we are going to be installing the RTR Fender Vents for your 19 to 22 Ford Ranger. Inside your box, you're going to have your RTR Fender vent, along with your installation instructions and adhesive backer. For this, it's going to be pretty straightforward. All you need is some masking tape and a panel remover and a flathead screwdriver. Prepare the vehicle for OEM vent removal by placing a protective layer of painter's tape around the fender. Using a no-scratch pry tool, carefully pry the OEM vent out of the fender. After wiping down the edge with a clean towel, remove the adhesive backer from the gasket strip and apply to the flat edge of the RTR vent. Using a flathead screwdriver or equivalent, carefully pry the clips from the OEM vent. And transfer the OEM clips onto the RTR vent with the large protrusion facing outwards. As an option, you can spray paint the inner fender black. This will conceal high contrast colors being seen from behind the RTR vent. This truck is black, so we don't have to worry about it. Now remove your painter's tape and insert the RTR vent onto the vehicle. And that's it. Like, seriously, we're done. You can grab your keys, hop in your truck, and go have some fun. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's episode. If you enjoyed this installation or anything else that we have to offer, go to rtrvehicles.com, where we have options for Mustang, Ranger, F-150, Bronco, and Bronco Sport. I'm Jordan Wheeler with RTR Vehicles, and I'll catch you on the other side of fun. Whoa!